Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Opel Astra H 1.7 CDTI. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. In order to get access to the serpentine belt, first we need to remove the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the air filter housing is removed, we have access to the serpentine belt. There's the tensioner right there, the tensioner pulley. We need to turn that tensioner pulley anti-clockwise. We're going to use a long ratchet wrench size 15 to turn the tensioner. We're also going to install a pin in between the two holes of the tensioner when we turn it clockwise. This way this pin will hold the tensioner from turning back and the belt will stay loose, and then we can remove the belt. You can see now that the belt is loose, and now we can remove the belt. And there's the belt out. Next we're going to put the serpentine belt back on, but before putting it on I'll show you a diagram of the routing of the belt. That's how the belt goes around all the pulleys. And now we're going to put the belt on. This is the belt that I'm using. Now that the belt is almost on, I'm going to use the wrench again just to turn the tensioner a little bit more to make more space to put the belt on the last pulley. And now we're done with putting on the belt. The only thing left is to remove that pin that's holding the tensioner from turning back. After we remove that pin, we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.